So here we have our UniView camera. This particular model is a IPC3615ER3-ADUPF28M. So it's a 5 megapixel, 2.8mm turret camera. So we'll just see what you get inside. Open it up. So what we got here is a little quick guide, basically telling us how to mount it, how to connect into it, you know, our default username and passwords. Also got a packing list here, gives you an overview of what was inside this box. We've also got a drill template, so this basically allows you to figure out where to drill your holes. If we actually look at the camera, what else is inside? We've got a waterproof gland to protect the RJ45. And we also have 3 stainless steel screws with some wall plugs. So looking at the camera itself, this is all metal housing here. This is actually got, it's actually a plastic shroud here. We've got a fixed lens camera here, microphone and the IR. It's also 3-way access, so you can turn it around and get those angles that you're after. If you look over here, we've got our pigtail with our RJ45 and our 12-volt DC jack. So that's the UniView 5 megapixel turret camera.